It's really easy to add an appointment to your calendar on Pocket PA. Simply click Appointments from the home screen. The white plus sign in the green circle, the type of appointment, the client, the location the appointment will take place, the date of the appointment, the time, the service the client is having, how many, and apply any discount if you wish. Simply click Save at the top and the appointment will store in your calendar. The next page, you can change any details. So you can add a payment by selecting Add Payment and filling in any payment details. Maybe Dwayne's paid half via bank transfer. And then we select Save. Or we could send an invoice. By filling in all of the details for the invoice and selecting Save. Any payment details entered, any invoices sent will automatically store within the financials and your payment details, making it really easy to keep a track of every payment that's coming in